Well, Dayton city leaders are still working to rebuild parts of the community devastated by the 2019 Memorial Day tornadoes. The city commission's new plan is called the Northeast Dayton Neighborhoods Vision Plan. 2 News reporter Madeline Ashley is in Old North Dayton with details on when the work will begin.
From retail to housing and outdoor activities, several organizations and groups in Dayton are working on a vision to revitalize an area that lost so much 2 years ago due to a tornado outbreak. From Kitty Hawk to Eastern Hills, plans to update and renovate areas in Old North Dayton are underway.
This is an effort to provide that vision again, or and to dream up some things that could happen.
Planning for the vision began before the pandemic.
The main themes throughout this plan are to support local and ethnic businesses, connect neighborhoods to the rivers and open space amenities, improve gateways, and build new housing options.
The plan, divided into 3 areas, north of the Mad River, south of the Mad River, and open space and river corridors.
You know, people came back after the tornado saying this is how it was, and this is what it is now, and this is what I need it to be in the future.
I'm very excited about the opportunities to bring more service, more retail, more investment to a community that is, I think, really poised to receive that investment.
There's been plenty of rebuilding since the 2019 tornadoes, and locals are hopeful more progress is coming their way.
And each step of the way, we need to engage each and every one of our neighbors and get future input.
The Northeast Dayton Neighborhoods Vision Plan will be discussed at next week's City Commission meeting with a vote planned after that. In Dayton, Madeline Ashley, 2 News working for you.